going for a walk. Vanilla flavored freezy. Good time. Hey, you gonna come? Yeah. It's the time of year where the nice new leaves start to come out and they just look so pretty with the other ones. Hey, our creek. Is the creek running? I think it might be. Our creek's been super low these last couple years, but there's some water in there. So that's something, I guess. It's still early enough that, like, yeah, there's a little bit. It's definitely not running too much anyways. Here's a bunch of old cars. That back there is Dad's race car. Tugboat, I think was its name. And these are all cars that my parents got from an impound lot because they used to be like tow truck drivers. That's Mom's old truck and she loved it, but I think that's where all the others came from. It's so dark. It's definitely gonna rain again, but it's getting green. Oh!
Gives you a scratchy throat.
The path always gets greener than the rest of the field, which I don't really know why that is, but
Maybe it's all the poop on it.
that would make sense. No freezy? She'll eat it if I let her, so I'm not going to. Hey, hey, hey! So that's thunder, so we're gonna go home. Uh-oh. Oh, I know. Oh no! I don't know why she's coming up to me all of a sudden. She was like all the way. Oh! Oh! She is just going after. Oh!
Hey.
Oh! Oh God! You! Picking fights with all the dogs. Oh no! Oh, little man. Are you getting picked on? Hey? Needs to be replaced. Look at that. Totally exploded at the bottom. Hey? He looks so sad. Hey. It's getting really windy. Oh no!
Okay, lift your foot up. Pip.
See, they love oats, so I'm gonna lure them in with some oats. I have the oats. They're following me. Oh, hi. Come on. Now they know it's up, so they're just going straight to their pen because they know to get their oats. Yeah, see? You have to lure them with food, then they get in that way, but come on. Come on. Oh, see, they go straight to the oat pail. Popper! Get inside the popper! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come to the oats. If you're wondering what that is, it's mineral, so it's not a turd. It's getting very windy, so it looks nice from that side, but the sky is dark from that side. So we're back inside now. As it turns out, these are cream soda, not vanilla, which is why I was like in my head, this doesn't taste like vanilla. So it's been a bit since I last recorded, and it did rain a little bit, but not too much. Mr. Kitty is like totally cuddling with me right now, which is nice. I think I'm gonna make cinnamon buns tomorrow. Do you think making cinnamon buns tomorrow sounds good?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna make buns and Derek's cupcakes that he has requested for his birthday, like on the 17th, which is a while away. My Nintendo Switch is coming in 2 days, which I'm excited for. Are you in a cookie?
Yeah.
Cookie? Yeah, do a little cookie dance. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see it, but look at that. All of those up there are elk. So they're coming home because they usually go away for the winter, but that's all elk. They're so big and beautiful. New day. I just got out of bed, but Karen and Holly are here because they're gonna go up and visit a relative, so that's fun. So the rolls have been baking for around 15 minutes, so I'm gonna check on them. They look like they're rising, especially that big old one right there. They look really good. Dog. She hates when I put my foot close to her bed. Ow! Why are you so mean? Ah! She's 3 pounds and acts like she can throw her weight around. Hey? If I stand close to you, it's okay though. It's just when I reach 1 foot out, she doesn't like that. We got done making the cinnamon buns a little while ago. They look really good, and I think it's getting cold enough that we can taste them. What are you doing? Her owner's keys are up here, and so anytime you pick them up, she gets really excited. I don't know when they're gonna be back, but got chill out, Holly. They're not coming back anytime soon, I imagine. Hey? You have a cinnamon bun?
I'm gonna try and I'll pull one out for you. Let's see if I can get one out here. No! Sorry.
Okay, there's one cinnamon bun.
Ooh.
That's the sugar on the bottom.
Yep, I was wondering where the syrup was, but I guess we found it.
It just said put sugar on the bottom, so that's why it did.
Sugar? In my recipe?
No,
Oh.
I used one with the
'Cause I'm
yeast
like-
because I couldn't find the yeast.
I'll just show it's right here, just,
Oh.
you know, like right in that glass jar.
I see.
Yep.
Okay. We'll do a taste test now.
I approve. Sugar on the bottom is different texture, but it's good. Tastes good. I've been eating cookies at Evie's, so I'm like, I need some real food.
Cinnamon bun.
I'm like, oh, it smells cinnamon buns.
That was good.